Hi guys, this is Nicecream from Afro Vegan UK, and today we're gonna make a very nice acai bowl. We're gonna use some frozen bananas, some strawberries, and then we're gonna have some acai berry in there, and it's gonna make a nice smooth paste that you can decorate with your seeds and nuts and all the other fruits that you want. It's gonna fill you with a lot of nutrients and minerals and tons of benefits for your body. So join me in doing this, and I can show you, you're gonna enjoy this. All right guys, so to make the paste, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna just put like 3 ripe bananas. So just put it in the blender. Do 3 handfuls. And to make the paste, I've got a teaspoon of acai berry powder mixed with a cup of almond milk. So you can use oat milk or you can use coconut milk or hemp milk, but this is great. Acai berry is very great. It's got vitamin A, it's got zinc, iron, copper. So if you're deficient in any of that, you can get it from acai berry. It's got manganese, magnesium, potassium as well, and good cholesterol as well, and anti-fatigue. So I want to put that in there as well. So this will make the acai paste. So normally it's acai berry with the frozen bananas, and that will make the paste. Okay, let's put that aside, and then later on, once we blended that, we can just toppings with almonds and walnuts, good omega 3 oils, good for your heart. And then we've got the seeds as well, which is good, in essential minerals. So this is the topping. So I've got blueberries, raspberries and strawberries. But first of all, let's just blend this up, and then we can take it from there. Okay. Now look at that, it's so good. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the strawberries in there because they're quite chunky. So I'm just gonna put in there, and then I'll leave the raspberries and the blueberries as a topping. So I'm gonna re-blend this. Okay. Now look at that. Just got the acai berry, almond milk, frozen banana, and the frozen strawberries. So that's the paste. So we're gonna scoop that and put it in a bowl, and then we start decorating it with our seeds and nuts and the leftover fruits. So that's how easy it is. So let's do it. So now you can see the paste is ready. So we're gonna decorate. I'm just gonna scoop some into the bowl. Look at that. So this is how you can make like a nice cream. Like you have a banana, peanut butter. You can put some strawberries in there, like I've done. And this is what you see online a lot, with this nicely developed acai bowl, ice cream. So I'm gonna probably, let me put some cacao in there as well. This got vitamin A, B123. It's got vitamin E as well, vitamin C as well. So this is quite powerful. This is good for the heart, anti-fatigue. So it gives you strength, to move through the day. So I'll just sprinkle some cacao on there. Maybe some of the seeds. So I've got pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds in there. Look at that. And this is what you see on Instagram, people just arrange it nicely. But yeah, we just try what we can. But yeah, this is full of power. Trust me, it's gonna be amazing. And then we have some raspberries as well, so with the blueberries. Look at that. And just let's sprinkle some. I've got some almonds and some walnuts in there. Now, look at that. That's beautiful. So with this ready, you can just, you know, dig in nicely. You know, I'll just bring it closer for you. Look at that. How good is that? Yeah, baby. If there's any time you want like a treat, you know, you can just blend some, you know, you can do a variety. You can add mango, you can add pineapple, you know, watermelon. Just make a variety and enjoy it, okay? So until next time, keep eating healthy and eat to live longer. There you have it, guys. How easy was that? You know, you can make this every day and enjoy it. It's packed full of nutrients and minerals, and it's gonna keep your body in optimum shape, you know, for a very, very long time. So keep doing this and join me next time on my next cooking. Eat to live longer. Peace. Cacao gives you power.